First of all, I welcome you. My name is Ssekajja Ronald. Let's pass through the electronic spreadsheet, which is so-called Microsoft Excel. We shall learn about statistics, that is the side of finance. We shall learn about computing, about the basic salary, the gross salary, the gross pay, the net pay, and much more. So here we are. Before, we normally start by creating folders where you right click, you go to new, then you choose new folder, then rename the folder, press backspace, write your name. For example, my name's here, then after you open that folder, after opening that folder, you go to see the word this folder is empty. You right click, you go to new, you choose the program you want to use, that is Microsoft Excel worksheet. Then rename as financial year, school financial year, 2026. And after, double click to open. Let's wait for the Excel window to open. Excel window has sections. We have here the zoom controls down here, where a learner can zoom out like this, or can zoom out, can zoom in to increase the size of the page. Then we have window controls here, where a learner can minimize. When he or she minimizes, that window or the program lies here on the taskbar. Then you can also restore down, decrease in the size of the window, or else can maximize using the same window control. Then you can close using the X sign window controls. So to begin with, I want to handle about statistical, or basically financial issues. Here we are. Let's type staff member ID, staff member ID number, staff name, first maximize here, then staff name, as maximize, go where the columns intersects, then you double click to maximize the columns. And after, write the subject, teaching subject, then you write here basic salary, then you also maximize here like this. Then after, here we shall have allowances, then here we shall have taxes, where we include the NSSF. So let's say taxes, then here For taxes, we shall have gross pay. Gross pay. Gross salary. Gross salary. Then taxes. Then we shall have the net pay or the net salary. So here we can compute, let's use this knapsack 001, staff member's name. Let's expand this column. Called Joseph. That's the name, the first name. Teaching subject English. For instance, another ID number, knapsack 002. Then Juma or Jingo side. Then mathematics. Then let's have another ID here, knapsack 003. Then we put Wama Henry. Teaching subject biology. Let's have another ID here, knapsack 004. Then let us have Musime Gerard. Teaching subject chemistry. Then let's have another ID number, knapsack 05. Then to put Sengavi Jimmy. Teaching subject physics. The other one, knapsack 006. Then we put Tugume Christopher. Teaching subject history. Teaching subject history. Then no. Yeah, this ID number knapsack 007. The name no. Aisha. Teaching subject geography. Then let's have another one here, knapsack 008. Nachito Linda Maria. Teaching subject, let's put agriculture. Then knapsack 009. Let's put Ssekajja Lawrence. Teaching subject, let's put